Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. First, open your Excel file. Look at your table and type the name of the cell where you want to see the result. For example, if you want to find the values for banana, type banana in that cell. This will help you know what value Excel should search for. Next, click the cell where you want the results to appear. This is where Excel will display the value found by the VLOOKUP function. Now type the VLOOKUP formula by entering $VLOOKUP. After opening the bracket, click on the cell that contains the value you want to look up. Next, select the range where your table is located. Make sure the range includes the column you are searching in and the column that has the information you want to retrieve. After that, type the total number of columns in your selected range. For example, if your table has 2 columns, type 2. If it has 3, type 3. This tells Excel which column to get the result from. Then type false to make sure Excel finds an exact match. Close the bracket and press enter. Excel will now display the result in the cell you selected earlier. Thanks for watching.